Briscoe. Why do they like the socks so much? And the puppies and the dogs, they get my socks and everybody's socks. Try to get the sock out away from him. Take the sock out. Take him out. Pull it out. Hey, careful, careful. What? I don't understand why he likes it. He likes that so much. He loves to bite my socks. Eh? Crazy doggy. Skin. Look at that. He loves to bite my socks. Look at him. He loves my socks. Hey, you! Briscoe, give me my sock. Give me my sock. Briscoe, give me my socks. Brisky. Hey, my socks. Give me my socks. Why do you like the socks so much? Eh? Eh? No, give me my socks. Yeah. Look at that. He goes for another one. He loves socks. I don't know why. Seems like all doggies like that. Oh, he's a young pup. Look at that. Look. No, this is my sock. Get out. Here. See, he has his socks and he goes crazy. He's 8 months pup. Yeah, it's a puppy of 8 months. And look at that. I guess he loves the smell. He loves to bite them. I don't know, but look at that. He just loves socks. Crazy doggy. Look at that. Briscoe. He just loses conscience of who he is. Look, he took another one. Look at that. He doesn't know which one to take. Alright, so I never know why young pups like socks so much. I have no idea why. But I'm just gonna leave him having fun. He's looking for my socks, but he doesn't find any. Crazy doggy. That's another instance why these dogs, I don't know why, they love socks so much. But he doesn't find any, so he's gonna leave my boots alone probably soon. But he's sticking his nose inside the boot, trying to find my socks. Okay. Look at you, you found a ball. Alright. Dogs are so funny with socks and balls. Alright. Briscoe! See, you're crazy about the freaking socks that are biting my feet. Why are you so crazy about my socks? Leave my socks alone. You're hurting my feet. It's gone crazy. Skin. Hey, Briscoe. No. No. Go crazy. Don't. Ow. Ow. Can anybody tell me why they're in love with socks? In doggies? I don't know. Maybe the teeth, the texture of the socks, I don't know. They love it, but it's like a drug to them. Yeah, he doesn't leave me alone. Ah.